Okay, so this is an unboxing video. I've just received this box and it's important to show how it has been packaged. I am very excited and thrilled to have received this package, and so I'll open it up quickly using a high quality NRA knife to open up this package. Alright, so like I said, it's important to see this package because well, let's see what is going on here. Normally an unboxing video is as exciting as watching somebody else's vacation photos, but this is an exciting purchase that has arrived. So, and always remembering to cut away from yourself. As we learned in Boy Scouts, you want to cut away from yourself and not do this. Do not cut towards yourself, because you might end up cutting off something that you need later on. Okay, so there's a good view of what we've got inside here. And this, of course, is the elm that I purchased from Emblem Bonsai. Beautifully wired in. Nicely packaged up. So let me get it out of here. Okay, so pulling it out. Okay, and here we go, the big reveal. Ta-da! That's it, one stumpy little, there we go, at least that's now in camera, right in shot. One stumpy little Chinese elm that has traveled successfully from Florida up to Connecticut. Let's get it out the package, although I'm sure it's going to be just fine. But there's nothing as exciting as unwrapping a new gift. So I'm doing this behind the camera. I'm hoping that I'm keeping it in frame. Well, okay. All right. Certainly got enough packaging on it. There we go. I can reuse that for something. Oh, and some bubble wrap. Who doesn't need bubble wrap, right? We can always use them to pop some bubbles. Great for reducing stress. Okay, next up is to get this little guy out of this second layer of packaging. Well, he is tied in here well. And there you go, out of the second layer of packaging. Paper towels, which are nicely moistened. So this little fellow traveled very safely from Florida into Connecticut. And I absolutely love that root structure. Look at that root structure. I absolutely love the root structure of this little fellow. And the soil is still wet. Obviously it's cold, but it's not bad, given that we've got 10 inches of snow outside. This is not freezing. He's a little cold, but the ground is not frozen. So that's awesome. It means he traveled up safely with all this packaging. This packaging not only protected the little plant from moving around during transit, but also provided insulation. And so there we go, unboxing of another addition to Bigfoot Bonsai, and really looking forward to get this little guy in a pot.